everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. So, do you have a birthday or anniversary coming up and you want to give them a beautiful present but you can't because of this lockdown? Don't worry, you can gift handmade. Everything is more beautiful when it's made with love. So, what can you give to your loved ones which will touch their heart and make them happy? Let's see. So, in today's video, I'm going to make a beautiful pocket album by using only minimum items. Stay tuned and enjoy watching this video.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight,
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon, turn us to thousands.